Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the first Samsung smartphone to feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, so Qualcomm announced its new flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 at the company's Snapdragon Tech Summit earlier today. The new flagship chipset will feature better performance, battery life and camera capabilities in addition to improved graphical performance. The event also saw a number of smartphone manufacturers announce their upcoming flagship phones that will feature the new chipset, such as Xiaomi 12, Realme GT 2 Pro, Oppo's Find X3 Pro successor, new Moto Edge series phone. So the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform is the most advanced 5G platform ever, with our Snapdragon X65 5G modem RF system ushering in unprecedented speeds up to 10 gigabits per second while supporting all-day power and more locations than ever. Plus, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 features leading Wi-Fi 6 and 6E with multi-gig speeds even with multiple devices on one network. The successor to last year's Snapdragon 888, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is the first chipset to bear Qualcomm's new naming scheme, which the company had previously teased last week, ditching the triple-digit numbering system that Qualcomm has previously used for new generation-based monikers. As is the case every year, Qualcomm is promising some major improvements in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, with better performance, camera technology, AI capabilities, security, and 5G. As expected, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is the first chip from Qualcomm to use the latest ARM9 architecture from ARM specifically. The new 8-core Cryo CPU will feature a single prime core based on the Cortex-X2 at 3.0 GHz, along with 3 performance cores based on Cortex-A710 at 2.5 GHz, and a quartet of efficiency cores based on the Cortex-A510 design at 1.8 GHz. Additionally, the new chip jumps to a 4nm process, from the 5nm process on which the Snapdragon 888 was built. All told, Qualcomm promises that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 will offer up to 20% better performance and up to 30% more power efficiency over last year's model. Meanwhile, the new Adreno GPU, much like the Gen 1's Cryo CPU, Qualcomm didn't give a specific number for the updated hardware, promises to offer 30% faster graphics rendering, in addition to 25% better power efficiency compared to the Snapdragon 888. It'll also offer a new GPU control panel for fine-tuning how games are running on your phone. As is traditional for Qualcomm's top-tier processor, the company is putting a big emphasis on its beefed-up camera capabilities, which the company is bundling together for the first time under a new Snapdragon Sight brand. While the Spectra ISP is once again a triple ISP system, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 upgrades things up to an 18-bit system, up from 14 bits on the 888. That translates to 4,096 times more camera data and up to 4 additional stops of dynamic range for very bright or very dark scenarios. The triple ISP image signal processor also allows for things like shooting 240 12-megapixel photos in a single second or simultaneously shooting in 8K with HDR while snapping 64 megapixel stills thanks to an increased 3.2 gigapixel per second throughput. Well, that is it for now guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.